Oh, you're getting some good bonus material here. I put it all back together. Turn it on. I'm getting a lot more water pressure out of it from before, but not working. And so I would have to get a whole new head or replace the entire faucet. And you know what? Mommy came in here and she said, hey, guess what? And I didn't even think about it, but here's what I'm gonna do. Look at this. Here's another sink over here. And guess what's on it? Another faucet handle. Exactly like the other one. I forgot all about this one. So guess what I want to do? Well, let's first off, I haven't even checked this. Let's check and see if it works. It should, because this one is we hardly ever use it out here. Okay. Voila, look at that. That's because this one is pretty much almost like new. Okay? And so I'm going to take that, and I'm going to do it right now, as a matter of fact. I'm going to take that and put it over here. Take this one off. Loosen this up with my pliers. Okay. I'm going to take this one over here. And to show you, I even went the extra mile. I went on the internet and I even found the hand nozzle sprayer. I even wrote the part number down and where to get it, and the model number and the finish color and all of that, because I was thinking about getting a new one and replacing that handle. But here, I've got one right here, don't I? And this one should come off just like the other one. Okay. I'll put the old one over here. And this one still works fine. It's just the sprayer thing doesn't really work. See, same thing. That's because people have used it so much. It's probably might have something to do with something in here, because when I press that, it doesn't want to click like normal. Okay, but this will work fine over here, right? Tell me it isn't so, Joe. Well, it is so. Okay, get this back over here. Simple as that. I got it fixed. Okay. Now see the water, I can tell the water pressure is just a hair better than the other two because it's hardly been used. Now let's make sure this works. Voila. Oh, Mommy's gonna be happy about that. Okay, alrighty then. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I was stressing out about this, wondering how I was going to replace that and ordering it, and whether or not I had to get a whole new faucet assembly and replace this entire thing. But hey, it was right there in front of my nose. I was so worked up on just concentrating on this, I forgot that we had another sink. As simple as that to replace. Okay, well hopefully I've shown you a few tips along the way to at least get your aerator cleaned out and your little nozzles in case your shower spray is working but it's kind of plugged up, and how to go about fixing it. Okay, I'll see you next time.